All right.
Hey, Nicole.
Hey, Dino.
All right, so we're back again, and we're going to talk about cheese, man.
Perfect.
So,
my favorite subject.
Look at all this stuff. You know,
Yes.
we've got cheeses from every area of the world, every country.
Yes.
Everybody's got their own
That's why I
style.
love cheese.
I know. It's creamy, it's gooey, it's
Yes.
crispy. It's,
Yep. You can put it on top of things. You can
Right.
make it inside of
You
things.
can shred it, you can
Yes.
slice it, you can stretch it.
Yep. Oh,
I
that's
mean,
the best one.
just
Mozzarella
any-
sticks and just stretching them.
Yeah, string cheese, exactly.
Yes,
Just
yeah.
every kind of cheese.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know, so we've got, you know, a lot of things that we're going to try to do with these different cheeses, but today we're going to focus on a grilled cheese.
Yes, because it is National Grilled Cheese Month.
Right, exactly.
So we gotta do something for that.
So we want to break away from that white bread and American cheese thing,
Heck
you know,
yeah,
and
let's-
stuff. Yeah, so we're going to kick it up a little bit.
Yeah.
What we're going to use is we're going to use a nice fresh baked multi-grain
Ooh, so
bread.
we're getting a little healthy.
Yeah,
Sneak a little healthy in there.
A little healthy and stuff. All right, I'm going to use some Italian Gorgonzola.
Okay,
What
yes.
this is going to do is, as it melts, it's going to have a real nice creaminess
Nice.
to that.
And Gorgonzola is related to blue cheese.
Right, it's just an Italian version. It's a little
Okay.
bit more creamy
Okay.
and not as firm.
Okay.
And it just has a richness to it.
Perfect, perfect.
And then we are also using a red apple hickory smoked bourbon Gouda.
Ooh.
I know. Doesn't that just sound good?
Wow.
It's like it makes you want to drink it, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
So yeah, so this is going to melt real nice. It's got a nice background flavor. It's got
Very
a nice light
cool.
smoke to it.
Yeah.
Really going to go real well on our
So very different from the traditional American cheese,
Right, yeah.
white bread.
Right,
That's
exactly.
it.
Yeah, this is going to be a little different.
I like it.
So one thing I wanted to let you guys know, so you know, you have that perfect grilled cheese at the restaurant.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, how do you get that at home?
and it's crispy.
Yeah, how do
and
you-
it's
how
got
do I do that?
flavor. So, well, I don't use butter. You know, I let everybody wants to melt margarine. Well,
Yeah, I
margarine's
always
got a
put-
lot of water in it, you know, which makes your grilled cheese soggy. Butter is always also a real high moisturizing.
Okay,
thing.
which makes it a little soggier.
It makes
Yeah,
it
yeah.
soggy. And you really got to crank up that flame to get crispness when
Yes.
you talk about butter, and you got to worry about burning butter. You know, so you know, a great secret that a lot of chefs use, don't like to let out, is they use mayonnaise.
Yeah, mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise is just whipped oil, basically.
Okay.
You know, so
That makes
it's got
sense,
some
yeah.
flavors in it.
Do you normally cook with
yeah.
olive oil,
So
so
what
that-
I'm going to use is this roasted garlic mayonnaise.
Ooh.
Yeah, so that's going to give our grilled cheese
that out.
a nice, you know, nice rich flavor.
Very awesome.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of mayonnaise on the bread to start.
Nice. And one less utensil, so you don't have to cut any butter.
Right,
or
exactly.
Spread any.
Yeah, well, you got to spread still.
Yeah.
So you want to spread that mayonnaise nice and thin.
You know, I've always wondered that because whenever I order grilled cheese, whenever I make grilled cheese at home, it's the outside parts are nice and crispy, but the inside is so soggy.
Yeah, that center area is
Yeah,
soggy because
and
it's
you don't want
just
to add too
steaming.
much cheese because
Right.
it makes it worse. And
Right,
then,
exactly.
okay, so mayonnaise
Yeah,
instead
so
of
mayonnaise,
butter.
I'm going to sprinkle a little black pepper on it, you know,
Ooh.
because
Making some artisan
just
grilled cheese this
just some
year.
artisan grilled cheese. All right, so we're going to put that right in the pan like that,
Okay.
okay? And we're going to start getting that brown. So while that's starting to get brown, is we want to go back to our bourbon smoked Gouda.
Yes, and I'm very excited for this.
Yeah, so we're going to have
I
three
know
slices.
you are a whiskey guy.
Yeah,
so.
I'm a whiskey guy. Yeah. Nothing like a Basil Hayden
Yeah,
or a Templeton Rye. You know,
exactly.
yeah, absolutely. So 3 slices of this cheese that I just got from the deli.
On each side.
Right. Well, this is 2 sandwiches.
Oh, 2 sandwiches.
Yeah, one for
Okay,
you,
there
one
we
for
go.
me.
Okay. Oh, that's
I'm
nice.
super hungry today. Yeah. So, all right. So on top of that Gouda, now we're going to put this Gorgonzola and just kind of sprinkle that around.
Very cool.
All right.
I've had like a mozzarella grilled cheese, provolone, but never something this unique.
Yeah, so I mean,
Or
the
Gorgonzola.
best thing about grilled cheese is all the variations
Right.
you can make. Some nice fresh sliced tomatoes in
Yes.
there, some crispy bacon,
Yeah, basil.
ham, basil,
Oh, yeah.
herbs.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so you know, nice Italian grilled cheese, some shredded provolone and
Tomato
mozzarella,
and-
tomato, and basil.
That's exactly.
Yeah,
That's so
absolutely.
my alley.
So I'm going to flip these breads over, and we're going to put a little bit more of this roasted garlic mayonnaise on the other side. All right.
We were talking about too. You know, every ethnicity has their own sort of like kind of grilled cheese-esque thing.
Right.
We're talking about quesadillas.
Yeah, it's absolutely.
That's
So what is a
basically-
quesadilla?
Yeah, it's just cheese and a type of grain bread
Right,
kind of thing.
exactly.
So.
It's just another grilled cheese.
Yeah, I like it.
Which is nice.
So while
we
you're
got
enjoying this month, be sure to have a quesadilla too.
Yeah, turn these over. They're starting to get nice
Oh,
and
yeah.
burned up. All right, we're going to turn this down a little bit. Are you there?
Making sure it's nice and crispy.
Nice and crispy. All right.
There we go.
turn that down just a little bit while that's cooking. We can finish talking about quesadillas.
Yeah. So yeah, we've got your basic grilled cheese with your American cheese, your white bread, or even wheat bread. You can maybe change it up a little bit.
Anything you want.
But for a quesadilla, it's
Yeah, so you're using a flour or corn tortilla.
Yeah, and then
pick
one of these
you
guys
got
out.
several different Hispanic cheeses you can use, which work really well for melting.
Right.
And like I said, have fun with your grilled cheese.
Yeah.
Look at all these different cheeses: Colby, mild cheddar, Gouda, Munster, Swiss.
Spicy cheeses too.
And spicy, yeah, you got a hatch chili.
Yeah.
That we can use the hatch chili.
I
With
gotta
a nice
try that
little
one.
kick.
Yes.
We've got a dill Havarti. That would be kind of cool. Yeah,
Cool.
and melts nice and another
Yeah.
creamy cheese once it melts and everything.
I dig that.
So you got a lot of nice different flavors going on.
Yeah.
Check that out, how crispy that is.
Oh my gosh.
So you're getting that nice
That's good.
you're getting that nice crispness from that. All right, we're going to turn these back over a little bit.
And you're right, it doesn't burn as fast.
Right, it doesn't burn as fast, exactly.
Yeah.
So we're going to get that Gouda melting in there.
And that allows the cheese inside of there to then melt a little bit more too.
Right, and you get that nice creaminess
Yes.
that you need and that stretchiness.
Yeah, because we've always had that with grilled cheeses where you're like, okay, put on high heat just so you can get the bread look nice and crispy.
Right.
But the inside hasn't totally melted yet.
Right, yeah, especially if you're using a different type of cheese like American.
Right.
American melts pretty easy.
Yeah.
So you have to slow cook these a little bit and really make sure that cheese.
Good to know, low and slow, guys.
Low and slow, exactly.
That's my motto.
But yeah, so again, you're looking at just all the different variations
Yeah.
to make different breads. Pumpernickel, Russian rye, marble rye, jalapeno bread.
Ooh,
So you
yeah.
can just add so many different
Yeah.
things and make some really.
Even grabbing a focaccia from
Oh
the
yeah,
bakery.
yeah, exactly. And different methods of doing it too. So you have your George Foreman at home.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so grab your focaccia, load it up with cheese,
Yes.
shove that George
Yes.
Foreman. You're gonna get a nice herbal,
Yeah.
tomatoey,
Well, that's a good
grilled
idea.
cheese.
I like that.
Yeah,
I like
so
that.
kind of like your own personal
Yeah.
panini crust, but you can grill cheese in it.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
And if you guys are watching, let us know what you like to do with your grilled cheese as well. Do you like to put bacon on? Do you like to put a tomato, fried green tomato?
Fried
We're
green
talking about
tomato,
that.
yeah, we have talked about that,
Yeah.
exactly.
What kind of cheeses do you like to put on there? What kind of breads do you like to use?
Yeah, let us know because
Yeah.
we like to try out different variations,
Yeah.
different cheeses on different recipes, and
Yeah.
just trying all those different flavors and creaminess. It's just going to add so much to your
Exactly.
cooking and to your sandwiches.
Yeah.
So, all right, so I think these are ready.
Perfect.
Pull one of these out here. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. Yeah.
Getting hot over here.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so we got this nice cheese, grilled cheese here.
I like it.
Nice crispy bread. Look at all you got.
Well, you
a
can
little
see all
crunch
that
there.
the
Right.
gorgonzola really melting
Melts
into the
in there.
bread.
So grab a plate there.
Oh yeah.
All right.
There you go.
That's a little hot, so be careful.
Okay, thank you. One more.
All right. We'll give that a try. Now your Gouda's not going to melt down as much as like a mozzarella.
Right.
So there's still going to be some firmness there. But give it some time to cook and let that heat come through, and then it'll melt that Gouda up enough
Very
where
cool.
you can enjoy it.
Oh, I can just smell that.
Yeah, you smell that smokiness and the blue cheese.
Yeah, and even the pepperiness on the bread.
Oh, yeah. Now, if you don't like blue cheese or gorgonzola, of course, use something else.
Right.
But fetas, anything like that, is really nice.
That was a good idea too.
Yeah.
I used to be so afraid of the blue cheeses and the gorgonzolas, the sticky taste.
Right.
I got over it when I started putting honey on top of it.
Yeah.
Best thing ever.
And that's the thing. Once
You get used to it.
once you've tasted it a couple times, you start getting used to those flavors, and then you're going to be exciting recipes. And yeah.
But I just have to say, that mayo on top,
Yeah.
the garlic is fantastic.
Yeah, your bread's crispy and it's got a
Yes.
nice crunch to it.
Yes.
Absolutely.
All right.
Well,
Yeah.
thank you for joining me for
Thank
grilled
you.
cheese.
Thank you. Yes. Happy National Grilled Cheese Month.
Happy National Grilled
Thank
Cheese
you.
Month. Thank
Yes.
you.
Thanks. Bye, guys.